In this video, we are going to look at how to add callout extensions. Now, callout extensions are these along here, the ones that say free shipping, expert consultation, largest online selection. They're not clickable, as a site link is. They're not clickable, they are just highlighting certain characteristics or features of your business or your products. So that, as you can see, it's great space to have extra details to give to the people who are searching for you. So from your interface, you need to click on Adds and Extensions, and then on Extensions. And we just want to see the callout extensions that we have, which we don't have any at the moment. Check to make sure, switch from associations to extensions view. So we only have site link extensions. Check on the callouts, and we have no callouts. So to add one, click the Add button, callout extension. Choose to add it to the account, the campaign, or an ad group. Choose a campaign, you just select the one you want to add it to. Same with ad group, just select a campaign and then which ad group you want to add it to. I'm going to make this an account extension. And then the callout text is a feature. So for most people it will be things like free shipping over £50. That would be a good one. Again, advanced options, you can select, maybe you only want to show it on a mobile. You can schedule a start date and an end date, or you can schedule to show certain days of the week, certain times of the day. Once you're happy with everything, click Add. And then you go on to add another one. 24/7 service. There we go. And you keep adding them. I would recommend a minimum of four callout extensions. Add it at either at the account level. Think about how they would vary by campaign again. So if you have campaigns which or product ranges or something that have different features, different highlights, then think about adding different extensions for those. But make sure that it's something that really stands out, because you want people to see that and give them a reason to click on your ad. And that's how you add your callout extensions.